ਬਾਲੀਵੁੱਡ ਦੇ ਨਾਮਵਰ ਅਦਾਕਾਰ ਅਤੇ ਨਿਰਮਾਤਾ ਸ਼ਸ਼ੀ ਕਪੂਰ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਦਾਦਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਫਾਲਕੇ ਅਵਾਰਡ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਨਮਾਨਿਤ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਵਕਾਰੀ ਸਨਮਾਨ ਦੇਸ਼ ਦੇ ਸੂਚਨਾ ਅਤੇ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਰਣ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਅਰੁਣ ਜੇਤਲੀ ਨੇ ਦਿੱਤਾ। ਇਹ ਅਵਾਰਡ ਮੁੰਬਈ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰਿਥਵੀ ਥੀਏਟਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਗਿਆ। ਦੱਸਦੇ ਕਿ ਸ਼ਸ਼ੀ ਕਪੂਰ ਆਪਣੀ ਸਿਹਤ ਠੀਕ ਨਾ ਹੋਣ ਕਾਰਨ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾ ਸਕੇ। ਇਸ ਮੌਕੇ ਅਮਿਤਾਭ ਬੱਚਨ ਦੇ ਸਮੇਤ ਬਾਲੀਵੁੱਡ ਦੀਆਂ ਕਈ ਨਾਮਵਰ ਹਸਤੀਆਂ ਮੌਜੂਦ ਸਨ। ਦੱਸਦੇ ਕਿ 77 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਇਸ ਅਦਾਕਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ 62ਵੇਂ ਦਾਦਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਫਾਲਕੇ ਵਕਾਰੀ ਪੁਰਸਕਾਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ।
It's indeed a very important and a charting moment that one of the veterans of the film industry is being honored with the highest cinema award for the year 2014, the Dada Saheb Phalke Award. It's being conferred on Shri Shashi Kapoor ji, undoubtedly one of the most versatile personalities Indian cinema has produced. Who in his time competed with the very best and almost competed to different generations of film actors and carved out a niche for himself. Produced, directed various kinds of film. Combined commercial cinema with alternative cinema, defied languages, brought Hindi cinema and Hollywood closer, and then didn't leave his love for the theatre.
I'd like to express our gratitude to you, Arunji, for being present here with us today and conferring this prestigious award to Shashiji, the Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Despite your very busy schedule, you have found time to grace this occasion. That is most generous of you. It also conveys a lot of compassion that you have for Shashiji and indeed for the entire film industry. Thank you so much, sir. Prithvi Theatres, as you've heard before, has been a wonderful tribute by Shashiji to his legendary and incredible father, Prithvi Raj ji, who was responsible for spreading theatre in India in such a large way, but has also been a very subtle and a wonderful tribute to his wife, Jennifer, and to his father-in-law, Geoffrey Kendall, who himself ran Shakespeareana. And both Shashiji and Jennifer were an integral part of Shakespeareana. So thank you, Kunal, for choosing Prithvi to be the choice of the occasion.
The important thing about him to remember is that he started from theatre.
You know, when you worked with him, he would walk into the set and he would interact with everyone on the set. I mean, from him, I learned how to be nice to, you know, all the technicians, the lightmen. I mean, he would go and shake everybody's hand and he would do namaskar and said, "I'm Shashi Kapoor," you know. I mean, that was his signature line.
पिक्चरों से उन्होंने पैसा कमाया और फिर वो पैसा उन पिक्चरों में लगाया जो जिनमें वो बिलीव करते थे। जैसे कि वो मेन स्ट्रीम सिनेमा में काम करते थे, लेकिन फिल्में वो बनाते थे जो उनकी मनपसंद की पिक्चरें थी, जैसे कि 36 चौरंगी लेन, जुनून, विजेता, ये सब जितनी भी फिल्में उन्होंने बनाई वो उनकी चाह की पिक्चरें थी।
खबरां दी दुनिया विच आओ, साडे नाल कदे भी किते भी जुड़ो। आपां मिलांगे फेसबुक ते, असीं दिखांगे यूट्यूब ते, सानू फॉलो करो ट्विटर ते। खबरां नाल जुड़े रहो दिन रात।